we've just got bikes out at garage, and mine's dead, flat. So Bod's giving me a bump start. Let's go, pal. Never done this before. So yeah, just about to leave top of Stelvio and you can't see anything down there where we're going. Should be interesting. Pardon?
Don't like it up here.
No. Is yours being weird and all? Just coughing and that?
It's sticking over below one.
Mine is. Bike's behaving very weird up here, all of them. Apart from Paul's, I think.
Fucking hell, you're joking. Fucking clumps of snow. Oh, baby.
It's nice to have this bit of a cooler run this morning, because every day we've had so far has been roasted.
Right, it's a bit foggy, folks.
Unbearable when you first set off.
Bit different to yesterday.
It's like that Stelvio has to ourselves. Ooh, okay, well, that were a bit bad, Longsy boy.
Fucking diesel on road. Oh, fucking hell. That's some dirty buses.
Air pressure and everything's going to be a lot different, isn't it? It's got to be. Why it'd drain the battery though, I don't know. I think I'll probably, if this battery gets me home, I'll just get a new one fitted straight away. Aha. What was I just saying? Totally just cut us up.
Fucking hell, fire, this is hard work. Fun. Well done, Richie Lamb. Shit, brakes aren't working.
So I'm in second now, aren't I? Second and third. I'll be happy if I know that their two brakes have done the same. Don't know about Paul, it's a different bike, but oh, well, she's ticking over now.
My fucking brakes have gone.
Did you lose your brakes?
Yeah.
Mine did.
Thank God for that.
Have you lost your brakes? Fucking hell, man.
Back brake went totally, didn't it?
Brake went just disappeared. I think if you took your hands off.
Off? Yeah, that was that.
Steering wheel.
There was that diesel. That foot brake pushing it right down. Do you see that diesel door with sand all over it?
So it's got to be brake pressure as well through your lines. It's got to be. Brake first time brake went fucking to the floor. What the fuck?
I did. What did you say you speak for?
I was saying, oh, I'm like, what the fuck?
Yeah.
We'll take one of each of us in the mic. Yeah.
We just got down Stelvio. It were almost private to us. Because we're that early, there were nobody else on it. It were almost so we got our own private Stelvio pass. Felt like Jeremy Clarkson. Let me get back to it. We're just coming at the top. I filmed and said that I were having trouble with my bike. The battery was completely flat. I mean, really flat. Reset out all my clocks and everything. And then, so Rob bumped me off. And started coming down it. Obviously I don't know what's going off on anybody else's bike, and remember I was saying about I don't know if I told it on this camera, but when I got my water out of my thing yesterday, in the top box, up there, right at the top, the lid blew off. Went like 20 feet in air because of the pressure that's built up there. So coming down, all the brakes disappeared. No brakes, like, at all. Like, then I realised all the tyre pressures were completely all cocked up, because you could feel that. So we just got to the bottom and leaving the bikes running to try and get everything back to normal. But yeah, that was scary coming down. It was nice to know that when we got down here that both them two had the same problem with the brakes. So anyway, over and out for a bit.
Fucking hell! How's that just happened? Oh no! How the fuck has that just happened? Oh, you fucking bastard! Is that it? Yeah.
I think my camera's just caught it all, by the way. Look at the way it's pointed.
You have to laugh, but you should not have laughing matter. No, you're right, eh? Well, no, I mean...
I really don't know what you all just saw, but I just dropped mine. Look. Bloody hell. But then Dave moved his down there. Did exactly the same. Fell over exactly the same way.
Dave's come off! Where's the mouth?
Cheers, thank you.
What?
Side stand down a minute, mate.
Pissing out of petrol now.
Is it?
Yep. What happened?
I just changed to come in, foot went, that rate. Overflow.
Overflow, yeah.
Fucking hell, mate.
Right after my last transmission at bottom of Stelvio, and how good it all was, put the camera away, and then my bike fell off its stand. I'll show you what's happened. Bloody gutted. Scraped all that. Bent that. Absolutely gutted. And then lads moved their bikes over the way. Dave dropped his exactly the same. And now he's just dropped it again at another petrol station. That's this side, Rich. I'm showing first mess first. Battle scars, boys, that's all they are.
Snap this one off and all.
No, that were already gone.
Why were it?
Whoever must have had it before you must have took it off.
That's alright.
That's it? Yeah.
That got it.
Yeah.
Thank you, boys.
There's two new levers now.
See again, bud?
There's two new levers now.
What do we do with that now?
It'll only just be coming out to overflow.
Yeah, when it gets to a certain angle, it just overflows, doesn't it?
Are you going to stay behind me?
I'll probably start to put my helmet on and still aging me out.
Bloody hell, fire. Right eventful day. Whew. About time somewhere with proper electricity.
That big white, well, that
Yeah.
fucking castle.
Yeah.
Whatever. Fucking hell. Did you get anything?
On thingy I did, yeah.
That's somebody with some money, wasn't it?
That was coming up through that pass, wasn't it?
Yeah.
I'm not drinking another beer.
Why not?
No, I didn't. Landlord, come on. No, I don't drink lager. I'm not waking up in the morning.
Imagine you get to end all this and then he says, "Oh no, we have that drink. your favourite drink. We have this."
Yeah. What's your favourite drink? Real ale? I think they've got some real ale. If they haven't, I want to get him to get some.
Take the left turn. The Badlands is the road. 100 yards up on the left. There's a fork. One way takes you to free land. The other side takes you to bad wildlands.
That's right. I'll buy that for $1.
No man wanna go to bad wildlands. What they do in Bad Wild Bad is skin you alive and then make steaks out of the skin on your back.
I'll just have a log then.
Sorry? I'm a lot of stuff now. It's the volume of lager I can't cope with. It's not the beer, it's the volume.
Well, the volume is in the amount of pints you consume.
Yeah. As in the liquid. I can't be doing with all the liquid.
This is a bit cheap, but there, isn't it? A lot thing.
Ja, wat jij vertelt uit in de speed.
That's the best one we've had tonight.
Wat jij vertelt uit in de speed.
Yes, we did.
Komt dat gewoon zo?
Right there, Robbie.
10 minuten.
Been a long day.
Vreemd hoor, dat liep, maar het gaat zo.
Been a long time since.
Rock and roll.
You
have to do the same verse or something. I'm nagged.
Cheers, boys.
Merci beaucoup.
Merci bien.
Yeah. Friends.
You got a bit of paper?
No front paper.
I'm not talking, maar wat
Piece of paper and a tap.
Dave, he does not understand what you're asking him. I still got some piece of paper and a pen, you.
You watch this. Yeah, keep it. Watch this.
Do a big smiling face. Tony Hart, eat your heart out.
Me? Cock. You. So if we go round here and up there and down again. Well, we all camped down. Yeah, knackered though. Slept good though. What's kettle is it? On it. Alright, literally just opened my eyes. I slept right through. Fucking right well. Still asleep. Still asleep, yeah. Is kettle, is that ready?
Yeah, it's only just boiled.
Cool. Still asleep.